A giant Barfani jacket, commonly known in international markets as a shearling or sheepskin jacket, is one of the most complex and premium winter garments produced in the leather industry. Its manufacturing process begins long before stitching and tailoring and involves careful handling of natural raw materials, specialized tanning knowledge, skilled craftsmanship, and strict quality control. The defining feature of a Barfani jacket is that it is made from genuine sheepskin where the leather and wool remain naturally attached, providing exceptional insulation, durability, and comfort in extreme cold conditions. The process starts with the sourcing of raw sheepskin. Only mature and healthy sheepskins are selected for Barfani jackets because the quality of both the leather and the wool determines the final product's performance. The skin must be thick enough to withstand tanning and finishing processes while remaining flexible. At the same time, the wool should be dense, uniform, and strong, as it acts as the natural thermal lining of the jacket. Skins with uneven wool, bald patches, insect damage, or weak fibers are rejected at this stage. Most factories source these skins from regions known for cold climates, as sheep raised in such environments naturally develop thicker wool and stronger hides. Once selected, the raw skins cannot be left untreated because they begin to decompose quickly. To prevent bacterial growth and decay, the skins undergo preservation, commonly known as curing. Salt curing is the most widely used method, where large quantities of salt are applied to the flesh side of the skin. This draws out moisture and stops microbial activity. The cured skins are then folded and stored or transported to the tannery. Proper curing is critical because poorly preserved skins can develop hair slip, bad odor, or irreversible damage, which makes them unsuitable for high-end Barfani jackets. At the tannery, the skins are first rehydrated through soaking. This process restores moisture loss during curing and removes excess salt, dirt, blood, and soluble proteins. The soaking stage must be carefully controlled, as oversoaking can weaken the wool roots, while insufficient soaking can cause uneven tanning later. Clean water, wetting agents, and bactericides are often used to ensure the skins return to their natural conditions safely. After soaking, the skins go through fleshing. This mechanical process removes remaining fat, muscle tissue, and connective matter from the flesh side. Specialized fleshing machines scrape the inner surface of the skin without damaging the grain or wool roots. This step is essential for achieving uniform thickness and ensuring that tanning chemicals penetrate evenly into the hide. Excess fat left on the skin can cause rancidity and unpleasant odors in the finished jacket, so accuracy here is extremely important. The skins are then treated in a pickling solution made of acid and salt. Pickling lowers the pH level of the skin and prepares it for tanning. This acidic environment opens up the fiber structure of the hide, allowing tanning agents to bond effectively. At this stage, the skins become more stable and resistant to swelling. Proper pickling also helps preserve the wool strength and prevents bacterial activity during the tanning phase. Tanning is the most critical transformation in the entire process. It converts raw animal skin into leather that is resistant to heat, moisture, and decomposition. For Barfani jackets, chrome tanning is most commonly used because it produces soft, flexible, and durable leather while maintaining wool integrity. In some premium or eco-focused productions, vegetable tanning may be partially used, though it requires more time and skill. During tanning, chemical agents bind with the collagen fibers of the skin, permanently stabilizing them. Once tanning is complete, the skin is no longer perishable and can last for decades if properly cared for. After tanning, the skins undergo washing and neutralization to remove excess chemicals and bring the pH level to a balanced state. This step is important for comfort and safety, as leftover chemicals can cause stiffness or skin irritation. The skins are then retanned or fat liquored, where natural or synthetic oils are added to lubricate the fibers. Fat liquoring gives the leather its softness, flexibility, and resistance to cracking, which is especially important for jackets worn in extremely cold temperatures. At the same time, special attention is given to the wool side. The wool is carefully washed to remove grease, dirt, and residues without damaging the fibers. Disinfectants are applied to ensure hygiene and prevent odor development. In many factories, the wool is then sheared or trimmed to achieve a uniform length. For giant Barfani jackets, the wool is usually kept thick and plush, as its purpose is to trap warm air and provide insulation. However, excessive length can cause bulkiness, so precise trimming is required. Dyeing follows, and it is usually applied to the leather side while the wool is either left natural or lightly toned. Drum dyeing is the most common method, allowing color to penetrate deeply and evenly into the leather fibers. Colors such as dark brown, black, tan, or antique shades are popular for Barfani jackets because they enhance the rugged and premium appearance. The dyeing process must be carefully controlled to prevent color bleeding onto the wool and to maintain consistency across all skins. Once dyed, the skins are dried using controlled methods such as vacuum drying, toggle drying, or air drying. Temperature and humidity are carefully managed to prevent shrinkage or hardening. After drying, the leather may feel stiff, so mechanical softening processes are applied. These include staking or milling, which flex and stretch the leather fibers, restoring softness and elasticity. This step ensures that the final jacket will be comfortable to wear and flexible during movement. Finishing is the stage where the leather achieves its final look and performance characteristics. Surface coatings may be applied to make the leather water-resistant, stain-resistant, and more durable. Oils and waxes are often used to enhance softness and create a rich, natural appearance. Buffing or polishing may be done to achieve a smooth or slightly distressed finish, depending on the design requirements. The wool side may also receive a final grooming to improve appearance and feel. After finishing, the skins are sorted based on size, thickness, color consistency, and quality. Only skins that meet strict standards are selected for giant Barfani jackets. Skilled pattern makers then design jacket templates, considering factors such as wool direction, leather grain, and natural shape of the skin. Pattern placement is a critical skill because poor layout can waste material or cause uneven appearance in the finished garment. Cutting is done either by hand or using cutting machines, depending on the factory's technology level. Precision is essential because Barfani leather is expensive and cannot be easily corrected once cut. Each piece, including front panels, back panels, sleeves, collars, cuffs, and pocket parts, must be accurately shaped to ensure proper assembly. Stitching and assembly require highly skilled workers and heavy-duty industrial sewing machines. Shearling leather is thick and challenging to sew, so specialized needles, threads, and machines are used. The jacket is assembled piece by piece, starting with major panels and progressing to sleeves, collars, zippers, and pockets. Reinforcements are added at stress points such as shoulders, armholes, and zipper areas to ensure durability. Zippers and hardware used in Barfani jackets are usually heavy metal types designed to function smoothly in freezing conditions. Once assembled, the jacket undergoes detailed inspection. Quality control teams examine stitching strength, seam alignment, leather softness, wool density, color consistency, and overall construction. Any defects are corrected if possible, or the jacket is rejected if it does not meet standards. Fit and balance are also checked to ensure the jacket hangs properly on the body. The final stage involves cleaning, light pressing, tagging, and packaging. Jackets are brushed to remove loose fibers, lightly steamed to improve shape, and fitted with brand labels and care instructions. Packaging is done carefully to protect the leather and wool during storage and transportation. For export markets, additional requirements such as size labeling, barcodes, and compliance documentation may be included. In conclusion, the factory process of making a giant Barfani jacket is a long, detailed, and highly skilled operation that combines natural materials with advanced tanning technology and expert craftsmanship. Each stage, from raw skin selection to final packaging, directly affects the warmth, durability, comfort, and luxury feel of the jacket. This is why genuine Barfani jackets are considered premium winter wear and are valued worldwide for their performance in extreme cold environments.